Nako-compare natin yung sarili natin. Bakit ganito siya? Bakit hindi natin nare-recognize kung ano yung meron talaga tayo.
Hi, goddesses! You're now listening to
We
Empower Podcast with a Heart. I am Tiasi.
And I am Shaning.
Topic natin is about honoring yourself.
Yes.
Since we'll have the Honor Yourself workshop.
So we would like to invite you to our Honoring Yourself workshop. Bakit nga pala namin ginagawa to? That is because we wanted to share our own experience, right, Tiasi? And actually, this is not like a Filipino culture thing, but after I met so many people from other countries, we have all in the same page na nakakalimutan natin yung sarili natin. And we're always thinking of other people, right? Tama?
Parang ano siya, self-abandonment.
Oo, self-abandonment. And even nung bata pa lang tayo, natitrain na tayo na we'll need to look after other people. Na we need not to look after ourselves. Tama nun? Yes.
In this workshop, anong i-expect nila?
In this workshop, what you're going to get is you will know what is your true strength, your inner strength. Because most of us, we were shaped by our parents, environment, we were influenced by other people. But in this workshop, you will know exactly who you are.
So, yes.
Like, we were going to talk about your DNA na. Kung sino ka talaga.
Oo.
How exciting is it?
Ako, na-excite ako kasi since learning this, mas na-discover ko yung sarili ko na kumikilos pala ako based sa values ng parents ko or ng environment ko. Kaya parang dun ko na-discover na self-abandonment pala yung mga ginagawa ko. So dun, na-learn ko yun. Nag-start na ako mag-transition to my own, yun, yung mga numbers ko talaga.
Tama. Kasi, most of the time, tinitignan natin yung mga bagay na wala tayo. 'Di ba? Tapos tinitignan natin sa ibang tao na nako-compare natin yung sarili natin. Bakit ganito siya? Bakit hindi natin nare-recognize kung ano yung meron talaga tayo.
Yes. So, maganda talaga siya na ma-share kasi ang laki talaga ng na-help, especially sa aming dalawa ni Goddess Shaning. Talagang from self-abandonment to self-love.
Yes, correct.
Diba? So, yeah. Before we end this podcast, thank you kay Coach Ken sa pag-invite sa amin.
Thank
dito
you so much, Coach Ken, for
Yes.
inviting us.
Yes, dito sa Q Studios. And yon, tune in sa Self-Talk with Ken Somera. Yan, I will be guesting there too. And I will share my healing from my depression journey. So, yan. Nandyan si Coach Ken from the very beginning until ngayon na okay na ako. We're excited to see you in our Honoring Yourself workshop very soon.
And we're looking forward to be with you and share this wisdom to you.
Yes.
I love you, everyone.
Yes.
See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.